Smart guys are welcomed. Practice train math. At the beginning, listen carefully, a point, an example and a suggestion. Then, learn speed, time and distance rules. Lesson 1. Point, example and suggestion.
Something need to be cleared first. That is, in a road, a bus can easily cross another bus. But two trains, in the same direction or in opposite, to cross each other, have to depend on a station, as, in general, there is only one rail line between two stations.
An artificial example. You went to your uncle's house to spend your summer vacation. Your uncle is a station master and guess the maths you solve are given by your uncle.
A suggestion. When you practice train math, try to perceive the practical importance of it.
Lesson 2. Speed, time and distance rules.
When we divide distance by time, we get speed. Suppose a train took 6 hours to cover 210 km distance. Then the speed is 35 km per hour. How did we get it?
Just by dividing distance by time. Secondly, when we divide distance by speed, we get time. Thirdly, when we multiply speed with time, we get distance.
Thanks for watching.